I am Alana, and I would love you to welcome on a fifth episode of this podcast. Isn't it pretty? Fifth episode, and you know what? I am recording every day. Every day I have something to say that's totally incredible, and I am late in editing. Like, it's fifth episode, and I haven't edited none episode. But it doesn't matter. Today was my second day at work. I never was a working person. Never. I didn't want to work, but I have to. And you know what? It's not that bad as I thought it would be. I don't have a completely beginner position, but that doesn't matter. Just, I like it. It's good. But today when I was at work, I was very very sleepy, and one moment when I was what I was doing, actually, I don't even know. I was nearby cashiers, probably. It doesn't matter, actually, and my feelings started to go out, and that's the reason why I wanted today talk about how much important it is to let out your feelings when you have them. Because you know what? These feelings I felt wasn't feelings of today's day, but those were feelings like half year ago or a few months ago, and maybe even from my childhood, because I didn't have the prettiest childhood. It was actually horrific, but that doesn't matter. And I never allowed myself to let those feelings out, and they are still in me, and sometimes they try to go out, but always in such inappropriate situations when I can't cry, I can't scream, I can't be sad in my head or wherever. So again, I had to suppress them in myself, but in my car I let them out. I tried to, get back to those thoughts I had, and those feelings come with them. And I cried a little bit, almost nothing, but I felt so much better after that, because I have so mixed feelings about my work. In one way, I hate it. I hate to work. I don't want to do that. I'm wasting my time here, blah, 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 which actually is not true, okay? This job is very good experience, actually quite good salary. Our country and our state are not the best at salaries, but it's not bad for me, okay? It's actually quite good. I have nothing to say, nothing to complain practically. But I have so mixed feelings, and at the other hand, it's really good. People are good. Customers are good. Boss is good. My boss is there too. I'm actually one of the boss too, but whatever. I don't know. It's really hard for me to let those feelings out and shift my consciousness, my feelings, my inner state to new inner state, because I have still feelings from past stuck in me, and that's the reason why I have those mixed feelings, and that's the reason why you have to let your feelings out, because they are influencing your life in the future, in the present. In the future present, what you are feeling is sometimes influenced too by your past experiences and by your past feelings you had, and you didn't let them out. You didn't allow yourself to let them out, and they can be influencing your future, and that's not good. And this is happening exactly to me. So I just have to learn how those feelings, how can I let out those feelings. And it's hard for me, but I'll fight with that and I'll be good. But actually, I had a pretty good day today. Even if I went to work, I didn't want to go. I was nervous. I was for the first time doing cashier job. with money, responsibility, stress, customers. And I was working for the first time with a cash register. And it was very stressful for me, but I did good. For my second day, I did pretty well. And when I am talking with the other employees, I have a good feeling about that. And even if I'm higher in hierarchy than them, they are still friendly to me, and I am sometimes always I'm always forgetting that I am above them, but that actually doesn't matter. Like, Jesus, we just talk like people. But you know what, this episode will be less longer, because I just wanted to talk about those feelings from past. So ask yourself, do I have some feelings from past, some situations I didn't let out? What is keeping my mind in past? What is still repeating in me? And this could be some random thoughts that they random pop up in your head during the day. These are those things you haven't processed in yourself. So yeah, I hope you had a good day as I did. And I will hear you in the next episode. Bye.